It's about 7:44 p.m. Video Lab 5. I'm Sri given iict campus experience. I was there in the block. I reached around 10 a.m. I saw my colleagues were busy doing something, and they know the experimental tally was on estimation of the catalase enzyme. See, catalase is an enzyme which is going to involve or help in the catalysis reaction. So what are the three things that was needed for estimating the catalase parameters? The catalase, hydrogen peroxide, and the phosphate buffer. All these three were prepared well before the experiment started. The blank was made and auto zero was set. As usual, it's Perkin-Elmer UV visible spectrophotometer using the software Lambda 25. And the catalase concentration was increased slowly, whereas the buffer concentration was decreased. After this, we estimated it in the UV visible spectrophotometer by Perkin-Elmer, and we found out the peak curve, or you can say like the spectra, in fact, by the instrument. By this, we found out what was the capability or what was the efficacy of the catalase enzyme on the activity. Then we had our lunch. Then afternoon, we just stood by and just watched our colleagues. They were doing an experiment on H2S hydrogen sulfide estimation. They took samples of plasma collected from the retroorbital plexus of rats, placed it in a new instrument. I still have too much idea about it, and they did it, and they finally made it to it, and they got a good curve. They printed the data and estimated it. This was the experience today. Well, two things: UV visible spectrophotometer by Perkin and Elmer, and another thing that is a new component, not yet to be learned, yet to learn. It's 7:56 p.m. Video Log 5. I'm stricken iict campus experience, and it will always be to say you is bit off.